Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are looking to create your first Power Automate flow from scratch, you are in the right place. In the previous video, we explored the Power Automate interface, understood its key components and navigation. Now, let's move forward. In this video, I will show you how to create a Power Automate flow from scratch. We will cover navigating to Power Automate. We'll add actions, save and test the flow. And finally, we will run it to verify the output. So let's get started. In this video, we will create an instant Cloudflow and use the Office 365 Outlook connector to send an email. Let's get started. We first go to Power Automate and click on Create from the left sidebar. Choose Instant Cloudflow, give it a name like Test Flow and select Manually Trigger a Flow as the trigger. Then click Create. Now we are in the Power Automate canvas. Think of this as a whiteboard where you can add and arrange actions step by step after the trigger. Click Next Step and you will see a list of connectors. Connectors link Power Automate with other services. For example, you can use the Office 365 Outlook connector to send automated emails. Now we will specify the details of the person to which this mail will be sent. We will write the content of the mail in the body section. Once we are finished with the content, we will go and save this flow. After saving, now let's test our flow. We will use manual testing to check if everything works correctly before running it automatically. This helps us find and fix any issues first. When we go to Outlook, we can clearly see it is written in this mail, hey, this means you have successfully deployed your first flow. It means we have successfully deployed our flow. Now the manual test was successful. Let's test it again automatically using the same trigger. We got this mail. This means we have tested our flow automatically. To check past runs, go to My Flows, select your flow, and view its run history. This helps you track errors and see if everything worked correctly. And that's it. You have successfully created your first Power Automate flow from scratch. This is just the beginning. Power Automate can integrate with hundreds of services to make your workflows efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Power Automate tutorials. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Thank you. In the next video, we will learn how to use input parameters in a flow to make it more dynamic and flexible. Stay tuned.